Hi, I'm Mike Seal. This is Clean Air Superstore, and if you've been looking for an air cleaner, this is absolutely the finest air cleaner I have ever found in the last 15 years of doing business in the air filtration business. I just got a shipment of these in, and I thought, what would be better for me to break one down, show it to you, so there wouldn't be any mystery. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one apart and let you see all the parts. And if you have any questions, obviously you give me a call. As I said, it comes with a black door, and the way you take the door off is there's this little catch here on one of the hinges, and you move it out of the way, and the door slides right off. Now, in the door, the only thing that you are required to do as far as maintenance is this is a very inexpensive, about $5 or less, or a little pre-filter that keeps the dirt from collecting on the HEPA filter. You gotta change that once a month, okay? Just to keep this HEPA filter from front loading with dust. And let me take it out. Here's your filter. It's a 95% filter, and it's designed specifically to catch the smoke, all right? So this gets rid of the smoke. Now, on each end of the machine, by the way, these are the little catches that go on the door, and I'll show you that in a minute. But on each end of the machine is about almost 50 pounds of CPC, which is carbon, potassium, permanganate, and zeolite. And the air, after it's filtered through the HEPA filter, it's filtered through two of these. So there's one there, and by the way, this is your speed switch, and okay, so what happens here? Let me explain this to you. All right. The air actually is sucked in through the front of the door, and it goes in through the pre-filter and the HEPA filter. It goes up through this fan. The fan is super quiet. It's all been redesigned. It's all been sound attenuated, and you can barely hear it on low. The air goes up through there into the cabinet and curls around through here, and it's forced through these two V-Bank CPZ modules that actually take away the odor. They actually absorb 25% of their weight in odor. Okay, I set the unit on the end because I want to show you how it installs. You take a 3/8 inch threaded rod and put a nut, run a nut up about an inch on the end of the rod. And there are 4 of these threaded holes on the top, and then you run the nut down on the rod, and it's totally secure, okay? And there's 4 of them. Then when you get that done, I take the large unistrut, and you know, some of it's like 10 foot long, and you may need it to put it in the joist. And all you do is just run it up. You hang this, and then you just run your rod through here, and you washer and nut it off. That's all there is to it. Like I said, I've been in the air filtration business for 15 years. If you follow my guidelines and install this unit as I've instructed, I promise you, I will guarantee you that it'll work. I'll give you your money back if you're not happy with it. I've sold hundreds of these units and I've never had an unhappy customer. So give me a call, send me your square footage, send me how high your ceiling is, and if you want to, call me and talk to me. But I'll help you, and I promise you, you'll be